Good morning and welcome to Trade Talks with Jitesh. So today being FinNifty expiry, let's dive directly onto FinNifty chart. So basically this is a triangle pattern which is forming out, and right now market is in between and about to open gap up somewhere between 19,390 to 19,400 levels. So basically, as we have yesterday discussed, market if goes beyond this particular point and gives us a breakout, and there is a strong there is a consolidation candle which is happening at that particular place. I'll be opening my short straddle, and not immediately. Let the market decide its direction. Certain times what happens, there are three scenarios we need to keep in mind. One is gap up open, then starts trending up, and then a consolidation happens. So this is most likely a highly probable scenario where market might gap up open and then trends higher, a little bit further higher, and then a consolidation for 3-4 hours. Second is gap up and then close below yesterday close. So if we get a close below this particular place, then that is a volatile day. You might have both the side swings. So in that kind of scenario, we'll be taking call writing at this range and put writing at this particular range. So we'll be doing both the things in a strangle manner, not a straddle. So as we have got our pre-open, it is going beyond 19,437. So in this kind of gap up open scenario, we'll be waiting and watching for how the market is reacting. If market might further go up, then I'll be taking call writing positions at 19,500 levels. Till that time, there is no particular trade I'll be taking. Let the market go, let the market travel till this particular place, because 30-40 points of if you go capturing 30-40 points of trade, it might not work out because from here it can come directly down. So let's wait and watch. Market is opening almost by uh, 80 odd points up. So this is where we need to be very careful. 70 odd points up. So from here till here, let the market travel, and then from here I'll be doing call writing questions. I'll be opening up my call writing questions, and then market sinks back again, takes a support at this particular place. Then I'll be taking my put options. So at this kind of setup calls for strangles, and straddles are a little bit risky. So this is what the trade plan for the FinNifty is, and for the Nifty, Nifty is opening above my stop loss. So I'll be taking my stop loss at the opening itself, and I'll be waiting for the market to honor to come at 18,490. I'll be taking short trades only at this particular place is complete liquidity. So once I get a close above 18,384, I'll be doing put writing, not aggressively, but yes, I'll be doing put writing only after getting a close above 18,383. That I think so on the opening hours itself, opening 5-10 minutes itself, I'll be getting. So from here till here, I'll be having a put writing trade, and at this particular place, I'll be closing all my puts and I'll be opening call writing positions. So this is the trade plan for the Nifty. For the Bank Nifty market is about to break its triangle pattern. If market breaks and consolidate goes up aggressively, then we might see closing all-time high, and somewhere at 235 levels, we might see some consolidation at this particular place once the all-time high is crossed. And one more thing, one very key aspect is there is a very high chances that a failure of a failed breakout. Yesterday, I have also said that we might get a breakout, and that breakout is failed very aggressively, and then market might come down. So this is the pattern which gives fantastic profit. So we need to be very careful once we get a breakout. If market sustains its momentum and it takes support at this particular place, then we can confirm that this breakout is good enough to take trade. But once this breakout is done and falls again in this range, then in that kind of scenario, we might get a failure of a failed breakout. So in that case, failed breakout, and then market might continue downward, and then sudden upthrust might come into play. So this kind of volatile movement might be there in the coming days. So be very careful, because there is no immediate support. We can see that the immediate support comes at 43,170 levels only. So at as of now, I'm expecting demand. The zone to honor is 43,170. Upside, there is no immediate resistance. All-time high is almost already crossed. So I don't think so that there is any further resistance on the upside. So let's see how the market gives us the opportunity, and we'll take trade accordingly. So as of now, Nifty trade, I guess I might take this loss immediately on the opening 5 minutes itself. Other than that, no major trade setup I have. After the beyond this point only, I'll be taking certain trades. Yeah. Thank you for joining Trade Talks, Ajitesh.